Mail Interceptor. Mail Interceptor. Who's intercepting the mail? So the goal is to defeat all ogre messengers. Okay. Oh. Oh. Those are big. Oh, we get the rated function. Oh, the function's up here. Okay. So, ambush attack. Good grief. So, attack the target if it exists and return to the mark. So, if there is a target, we're gonna attack the target. However, and then we're gonna return to the mark. 52:36. I think I might need an else. We'll see. Because I feel like if there's a hero, attack it. If not, but I think this is just a attack and move situation. But we'll see. You're not doing nothing. Oh. Oh. They're just over here banging. Like. Oh, they're sending the little messenger. I guess y'all. That's interesting.